Right, very good afternoon to all our viewers across channels and on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Zoom as well. And we have Harsh Vardhan with us today. Harsha, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, Nikhil.
Oh, okay. Could you turn on your camera?
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
see you now. All right. Okay. All right. So we are here to celebrate Harsha's success and congratulations. First up.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. So are you, which city are you in at present?
I'm staying in Bangalore.
In Bangalore. Okay. Are you from
Uh,
Bangalore? You've been
yeah,
living.
yeah, I'm from Bangalore only.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. All right. Okay. Okay. So would you like to introduce yourself, Harsha?
There's not. You already know my name, and I did my completed my graduation from CMR Institute of Technology, and I am presently I'm presently working at Sigmod Analytics as a DevOps engineer.
Okay. All right. Okay. And this is it's been you have considerable experience already in
Yeah, yeah. I
working.
have 3 years of full-time experience in Sigmod as DevOps engineer.
Okay. All right. Okay. And what was your background? What had you studied?
I did my degree in electronics and communication.
Electronics and telecom. Okay. All right. So okay. So what got you interested in data science?
Data science. Actually, it's my I chose data science because it is more inclined towards my skill sets.
Okay. All right. So this was when you started off, you already had some exposure to analytics or to programming.
I had experience towards programming. Means I all in Python especially and other languages like Java, C, C++.
Okay. All right. Great. So there's a bit of a head start you had. Okay.
Yeah,
And when was it that you decided that okay, this was a program for you? I think you studied
yeah. I
DataMites.
started. Yeah. I started means I joined for a course and as for CDS course, Certified Data Scientist course.
Okay. When was this? When did you finish the?
Means last year means I joined last year September. I finished it on May this year May. It was an 8 months course. So
Okay. All right. And okay. So coming to that, you basically had some exposure already to coding and
mm,
somewhere the whole idea of machine learning and all
mm.
you were able to use a lot of programming in there, right? So
Yeah.
okay, so what was that like? What was machine learning like?
It was uh, it was in curious means I found it interesting and I started with means yeah, anyhow Python was using means Python was implemented in ML, so it was like an added bonus for me.
Right. Okay. Okay. All right. So you really enjoy coding.
Yeah, I really love coding.
Oh, okay, fantastic. All right. Okay. Yeah, a lot of people just try and get a hang of it gradually. So and eventually you somewhere build a connect with that, right?
Well, some since my engineering days, I didn't have passion about coding until I entered my engineering. In my first year after C language, then I found my interest. I started my interest passion in coding. After C, then it came to C++, Java, and then finally I landed on Python.
Okay, very nice. And this is like you tend to work on certain like homemade projects or something. You try to challenge yourself with new ideas.
Yeah. Means I was using Python. I actually executed my final year project in Python only. Python
Right.
and it's like interfacing. Means I
Okay.
belong to EC branch, right? So I had to do something regarding circuit design and so Python. It was like both of them, blend of both Python and circuit design.
Okay. And you said your first your job, even at the moment, is something to do with electronics and telecom.
No, no, no. It is totally IT in information technology.
Okay. All right. That's developer work.
Means actually it's not developer. It's like a what can I say? It's a blend. Means I can say develop means not total developer, not total operations. It is in between. Means I will
Okay.
actually DevOps will handle the clients directly. Means I client requests.
Nice. Okay. Great. Yeah. There's a bit of that side which you would be again dealing with when you come to data science, right? So
Not actually means see means I decided to change my career because of the interest I found in data science. See, it is I already told you that ML was I didn't knew ML until joined the course. After I joined the course, I got the practical sense of ML.
okay. All right. And did you take it further in terms of learning more about deep learning? Did you?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Means even means I've implemented those ML algorithms in my internship. Means there was an internship program attached to the course, so I used it the ML algorithms to solve the business ideas.
Okay, great. All right. This was these are projects which you have done in a team, or you were happy to work alone?
I was working alone.
Okay, okay, great. All right. Okay, so what was your the bad experience like? If you can talk to us about that, Harsha.
Pat, okay, you're talking about placement, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, Pat. It was means they were the people were so much cooperative. Means they actually gave they sent the emails for many opportunities since July, I think so. Yeah, since June or July, I don't remember the actual date, but
Okay.
they from that time they have been cooperative towards the placement. And as starting as a fresher, it is too difficult to enter the data science. And means this placement team has been supportive for towards achieving my goal. I can say.
Okay. All right. Okay. So if somewhere you have a any plans for from a long-term point of view, is there 5 years down the line?
Yeah, see, I don't start until means I find an interest. See, the DevOps aside, means I found DevOps as means it came as a means internship offer. Means when I was a fresher, means I didn't have any job there at the time. When I started, I didn't have any idea about how to shape my career. After I had some experience in IT, then I knew that I should focus towards data science after some preliminary study of the about data science. Yeah, I will continue in data science in future, down the line, down my life.
Okay, wonderful, great. Like it's great to have yes, somewhere reaching that clarity is very important, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a question on Zoom, I guess. So this is your
Mm.
in terms of what your approach. Could you talk about your approach to learning data science concepts,
Uh,
the
means
fundamentals?
see, okay, okay. It's about see my approach of my ML is like learning with respect to mathematics. Not see I'm basically a science student. Means I'm curious about mathematics and science, so I study. I will relate it to the data science ML algorithm, and then I learn. Means even when only when I relate to the topic, I can learn the topic. That's why. So
Okay,
mathematics is the way to learn the ML. Means I have found that.
very nice. Okay, all right. So that's interesting. Then you mentioned the mathematics behind it. Every algorithm takes on a different approach, right? So somewhere you are
Mm,
looking at the core aspects of it. Is there any
mm.
supplementary material you are studying apart from DataMites? What would you recommend students to go through? Channels, any blogs?
Actually, I am not a person to go through videos and learn. I'm a person like take a book and study.
Okay,
Means I'm totally means a book oriented person, not a website oriented person. I'll not look into websites for means not for the help. Means like a videos kind of thing. I'm telling.
okay,
I'll I will, but means I'll download the documents from internet and then I'll study about it.
okay. Any reference books you want to talk about, or these were just
Means any particular book I don't have. Means see, I
okay,
can't. Yeah, I can't refer. Means point out to a particular book. So it has every concept. It's like a bits and pieces. It means it's like every pixel in an image.
right?
Means from different books, can collect different knowledge, and I should try to join everything together so I can implement my project. Means or I can understand the concept.
Okay, great. So you've done your research. Okay, okay. So, what kind of projects did you work on? If you want to share any specifics of these.
Okay, I means I worked on totally five projects. Means four projects were like internship project, and one was the final client project. The fourth project which I worked on was on earthquake damage analysis. Means it was a classification algorithm, and there was liver disease detection classification, and one more bank transaction classification, and one more regression problem called as flight price prediction.
Okay, and you're somewhere it takes considerably long just to have an idea for from a newcomer's point of view. How long does it take to work on one project?
It for me it was easy. Means the the projects which I did as an intern, it was easy, but the client project was a bit difficult. Means I would not say impossible, but difficult.
Okay, and was there some feedback channel through DataMites? Or did you gain something from the responses to these projects?
Yeah, means for every project which I submitted, right, they would give a like rating out of 10. Out of sorry, it was a alphabetical grading system, not a number based grading system. In alphabetical based grading system, they would give some grade and tell the pros and cons of what I did.
Okay. All right. Okay. So somewhere that is about the internship. Could you talk to
Hmm.
us about the training, the sessions that you had with the for the different courses?
Okay, okay. The sessions. It was explanatory. Means I totally don't depend on one person to learn a topic. That's the means. I think that's my means perfection. Means I'll look for perfection in topic. So I will just take the topic idea and then look in the background about like how I can relate. Means I told you before also, how can I relate it to my present knowledge? Then I can understand the topics more uh, clearly.
Very nice. Okay, great. Uh, I think, all right. I think that's about it from, we have any further questions from YouTube or other channels, I would request the team to bring those in. And Harsha has, yeah, a pretty dedicated approach to data science and analytics, and he's very passionate about it. Um, no further. Okay, fine. All right. Okay, great. So it was great talking to you, Harsha.
Yeah,
I
same
think
here.
with all your interest in different dimensions, I think there is a lot, many more opportunities coming your way. So
Yeah, yeah.
wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.